Healthcare office administrators are very important in the medical field and with any team. They're usually the first contact that anybody has. So that's really important. Most people get their idea at the clinic or the hospital or wherever you're working with the healthcare office administrator. You're what they see, that you're the person that they also start to trust. So it becomes extremely important. You are the connection between the professionals behind the scene and your client or your patient. My name is Margot Snow, and I am an instructor for the HCOA Healthcare Office Administration Program for Excel Career College. So when an office administrator, a healthcare office administrator is on the job, it's invigorating. It's exciting. Every day is different. They go into the job and they could start off one way and their day end up totally a different direction. You got to remember every day you're going and you're helping people. So you're going to be exposed to many different types of people. You have to empathize with them, but your day is exciting. It's exhilarating. Healthcare office administrators work with a variety of clients. And often these people go through different changes. So you might see somebody initially come to you who might be scared or in pain, so they are not their true selves. But then as you start to work with them and they come to your office, then you see these people for who they truly are, and these genuinely sweet people. So you're kind of family for some of these people. The demand for HCOAs right now is very large. This program alone gives you stepping stones into the pharmacy, the dental world, hospitals, nursing homes, but we find a lot of our graduates will then go into management positions. A lot of offices have several doctors in one practice. They need managers. So a lot of our HCOA grads have become managers. As I said, the one gentleman in the hospital became the emergency managers or shift managers. So there's many stepping stones for this. Or you can then go into government and do research or do work with government programs and go through the steps there as well. Here at Excel, the class sizes are small, which allows the instructor to have more one-on-one time with their students. I find all the students get to know each other a bit better because for small classes, they become a team. So it's like working out in the field, you have your team. And so I find the classrooms are more teams. They help each other. They work with each other after class. It's great. A successful HCOA should be willing to work in a team, but also be self-directed. Often in your job, you're going to have to do things on your own. You're going to multitask during your day. As I said, you're never going to know what's going to happen in your day. You walk in thinking one thing and something else goes on in your day. So you do have to be self-directed. Some of our students come in and they're shy. They don't want to talk to anybody. They're not smiling. Maybe their dress isn't quite appropriate for this type of profession. By the end, they're smiling. A lot of them have changed the way they stand, the way they talk to people. And it's amazing. It's amazing to see the changes in people. This program is 10 months. So if you think about it, in less than a year, you have this exciting, dynamic job. It's incredible. It doesn't take a long time. From my experience, and I've been with Excel for many, many years, all the instructors are incredible. They have a lot of field experience, which they bring into their classroom. So not only are you learning book smarts, but you're also learning what's actually going to happen when you're out there in your field. I find that all of the instructors here at Excel are wonderful at teaching each student how they learn, they will teach you. They're willing to go an extra mile for their students. what I find is a lot of the students come in the first day and they're unsure and they don't want to talk to each other. And by the time they finish their course, they're best of friends. And they stay friends. A lot of our students have remained friends throughout the years that they've graduated. I've had a lot of graduates come back and talk to the students that are in our classroom and become friends with them and be somebody that they can network with when they leave the class. There's many different learning modules that they take. One is computer skills. So throughout their course, they're going to take different computer skills and learn all about Word, Excel. They are also going to take components about dentistry, pharmacy, medical office, procedures. They're going to do medical terminology. Business communications is an important part of our whole program. They love our graduates. They hire a lot of our graduates. We often have some of the employers in town ask us if we have any graduates coming up because they're looking for employees. We always talk to our employers that are out there in the field and ask them how we can alter our courses. Are our graduates have the knowledge that they need out in the field? So it's something we do all the time. We're always in touch with our employers. They love our graduates.